You guys ever heard that sneezing feels almost as good as having an orgasm? Has anyone heard this? You're the only guy that raised your hand. That was dangerous, but I appreciate it. He gets it. This guy gets it. We love sneezing. Sneezing feels almost as good as an orgasm, but I'd actually argue that sneezing feels better than an orgasm. Right, because I've never forgotten to pull out a sneeze. You know? It's not as good. And the thing is, you can sneeze in public and nobody have a problem. You can't bust a nut in public and then be like, oof, allergies.